Okay, here's our first Easter egg hunt.
Ray, come here, bud.
Daddy and Brayden are gonna go find some eggs.
Ian, put it down.
That one's for Ian.
Right. Don't get the real. Well, I guess
And we have
like,
rules.
no, you can't have
So,
Brayden, look. Look. Brayden.
Brayden, look. Oh, he wants to go with everybody else. Okay.
Brayden. Brayden, look. Look.
Ian, work for it. Work for it.
Put it in your bag. Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. Remember, like I did, you put it in your basket. Yeah!
Yay, Brayden!
Right. Come here. I see another one. Do you see that one? You see this one?
Get the Easter egg,
Put it in
Brayden!
your basket.
Get the Easter
Put it
egg!
in your basket. Look, it's a chunk one. You put it in your basket. Put it in your basket.
Yeah!
Yay, Brayden!
I see one over here.
He won't let go of his string, of his hand, a stringy stuff.